I have two amazing parts of the world that I love, Italy and New York. And so the whole style of this house was to be a New York loft and to be open, but not be massive, not be too big. In choosing the exterior materials, so there's a combination of the James Hardie Linea Weatherboard and some brick. That was all about low maintenance. So it's a weekend place. I really didn't want to have to worry about keeping materials up, so they will last a long time. They will be able to be painted the colour I wanted them, black, and they look amazing.